7 mouth-watering popcorn facts. Hi friends, today we see the beautiful food that will entertain you and make you healthy as well. Are you eager to know what? Yes, it's popcorn. Before we move to interesting facts, let me introduce to our best friend, Mr. Popcorn. The corn was initially domesticated about 10,000 years ago in what is now Mexico. Archaeologists discovered that the people have known about the popcorn for thousands of years. Popcorn is one of the world's healthiest and most popular snack foods. Sometimes prepared with a large amount of fat, sugar and salt, which can drive overeating. For this reason, it is very important to prepare your popcorn the right way. It can either be super healthy or very unhealthy depending on how you prepare it. Fact number 1. It's super healthy for you. Popcorn contains vitamins, minerals and very high amount of fiber. Large amount of polyphenol antioxidants are seen in popcorns. These are plant compounds that have been linked to many health benefits. Let me add a disclaimer. Eating popcorn with 7 pumps of movie theater butter does not qualify. You got to stick with natural popcorn. Fact number 2. Popcorn is a special type of corn that pops when exposed to heat. Due to their hard and mostly non-porous shell, the steam has nowhere to go, resulting in the buildup of pressure inside the popcorn. Once the pressure gets high and the temperature reaches 180 degrees Celsius, the hull bursts and the popcorn is turned inside out. Fact number 3. Popcorn is high in fiber, relatively low in calories and has a low energy density. Eating it in moderation may help with the weight loss and decreased risk of many diseases. Now you know why the popcorn is the best companion for the gym goers. Fact number 4. Popped popcorn comes in 2 shapes, snowflake or mushroom. Because the snowflake-shaped popcorn is bigger, movie theaters typically sell the snowflake-shaped popcorn. They are commercially valuable. Fact number 5. When the explorer Felix de Azara visited Paraguay in 18th century, he noted that the people would place kernels on a tassels and then when it was boiled in fat or oil, the grains would burst. Women would adorn their hair at night with the popcorn. The Aztecs used popcorn during the ceremonies. Several young women would dance a popcorn dance with a popcorn garland on their heads. They also used popcorn as decoration for ceremonial headdresses, necklaces and ornaments on statues of their god. Fact number 6. Americans eat more popcorn than any other country. Most of the popcorn eaten around the world is mainly grown in the United States. Interesting. Fact number 7. Popcorn has been sold in theaters since 1912. It has been a big money maker not only because popcorn is overpriced, but also because people usually get thirsty and consequently buy sodas or water as well. Now we know why the popcorn is the best seller in the theater.